Welcome to another video. This is how you should be using Siri. Directions to the Sunshine Plaza.
Getting directions to Sunshine Plaza.
Siri, set an alarm for 8 p.m. called Pick Raquel Up From Work.
I turned on your Pick Rachel Up From Work alarm at 8 p.m.
Siri, call Jack on speaker.
Calling Jack. Mobile on speaker.
Take me home.
Getting directions to home.
Siri, stop navigating.
Okay, it stopped now.
Siri, remind me at 6 p.m. take your vitamins.
Okay, your reminder is set for tomorrow 6 p.m.
Siri, petrol near me.
Here's what I found.
What's 8 times 14?
8 times 14 is 112.
Hey Siri, add milk to my shopping list. I don't know, I'll ask. Siri, where are we?
You're at 39 Duporth Avenue, Maroochydore.
Siri, text Chelsea, hey, comma, that's crazy, exclamation mark. Can you please bring home 16 avocados on the way home, question mark, question mark. Love heart?
Ready to send it.
Yes. Siri, text mum and dad, what do you want for Christmas, question mark, question mark.
Ready to send it.
Siri, Shazam. Siri, remind me next time I'm at Bunnings, grab some soil.
Okay, add it.
For those of you investing in the US stock market, you can ask Siri, what is 183,000 US dollars to Australian dollars?
The answer is $253.39.
Where should we go tonight? I don't know, let's ask. Siri, what movies are playing?
Here are some movies playing at cinemas, but they're a bit far from you.
Siri, what did that text message say?
Wilson sent a new message. You have been in your car for 1 hour. What the heck are you doing? Would you like to reply?
Siri, repeat.
You have been in your car for 1 hour.
Listening to Spotify or something in the car and it's open on your phone, you can just say, Siri, send this to Noah, and it'll automatically create a link and just say, ready to send? Yes? Cool. And it sends the link via SMS.